Hello, mathematicians. How are you today? Today we're going to be getting into some poster method number 18. If you don't have it, that's perfectly fine. All the information is here in this presentation. The teaching point today is mathematicians find multiple ways to solve problems by working together to discuss, present their solutions, and critique the reasoning of their peers. So as you're doing this, you want to make certain that you have the goal of solve in mind. And when we're using solve, we are studying and organizing the facts. We're lining up a plan. We're verifying a plan with action. And then we're making certain that we are clearly labeling any units if necessary. Additionally, we want to examine our work. So we're checking our work to make certain that our answer makes sense. Lastly, we want to make certain that we're using mathematical language to explain our answer in words. So today we're going to be getting to a problem that talks about sharing jelly beans. I don't know if you know, so I'm not the biggest fan of jelly beans. Nevertheless, I don't know if you know, but there are so many different flavors to jelly beans, and I discovered it several years ago. I discovered flavors like eggs and broccoli and chocolate chip, like really interesting flavors that you would not think would be in a jelly bean, but it was really nice to discover. If ever you get a chance, go look it up, order some. It's really fun discovery, really fun discovery to just taste the different jelly beans, although it's so sweet. So let's get into the problem. Sharing jelly beans. There are 588 jelly beans in a bowl. Hector, Michael, and Jolene decide to share the jelly beans equally. How many jelly beans do Hector, Michael, and Jolene each get? Their mother tells them that they cannot eat all the jelly beans at once. They can each eat an equal amount of jelly beans for 4 days. How many jelly beans do Hector, Michael, and Jolene eat each day for 4 days? Show your mathematical thinking. So what I want you to do right now is I want you to pause this video and I want you to jot down some past concepts that you know that can help you with solving this problem. Okay, so now you should have already jotted down some past concepts that will help you solve this problem. I want you to take 8 minutes. Get a timer and to time yourself. I want you to time yourself 8 minutes to solve this problem independently. After you've solved it independently, I want you to reach out to a partner on Google Classroom and discuss for about 3 minutes. Then what I want you to do from there is I want you to invite a couple of more other peers to discuss the problem and discuss your thinking about this problem. Lastly, what I want you to do is take another 2 minutes with your group to agree on an answer. That is so important. This way you come to an agreement before you do your poster. Then what I want you to do is I want you to take 8 minutes to create a poster. If you have markers, poster paper, whatever you have, be creative. This is yours. Make it fun. You're doing it on your own and you don't have your peers next to you like you normally do in class. So make it really fun for yourself. And then what you're going to do is we're going to take about 5 minutes to give feedback. Okay. Remember when you're giving feedback, you want to be thinking about something you did well for yourself. So giving yourself feedback, you want to think about something you did well, and then you want to think about something that you will continue to work on. Afterwards, you're going to give your peers some feedback. Think about some things that they did well and some things that they still can work on. Please use group discussion prompts to help drive the conversation. I will be here. You're welcome to ask me any questions if necessary. You can also ask your peers. I'm looking forward to seeing your posters as I did last week. They were amazing, so I'm looking forward to seeing your posters again. Enjoy.